In the clear, we all fam. I don't even know what that means, but I thought that's what everybody seems to be saying these days. I think it means like we're in a club. And if you've been watching 36 videos of this MicroStrategy, you're in this club, whether you like it or not. Anyway, today is Friday. It's 2:05 right now. And I want to show you something really wild. This is crazy, right? So this stock has gone up $18. Now it's only up $14. When it was up $18, the extrinsic value on my short calls was like $1, right? But it would have cost me a little bit more to roll up. And that's okay. I was about to do it, and all of a sudden the stock started to come back down. And I thought, well, will it go to 340? Look at it. It's right around 340. It's at 339.53. And look at how much juice there is left with less than 2 hours left in the market. Here's what that means. That means there's some schmo out there that's willing to pay $2.11 for this stock to go from 339.40 to 341.50. It's like it's got to go up. Now it's like $2.05 from 340. It's easier math. It's got to go to 342 something. So you're going to spend $2.35 in the hopes that in the next 2 hours it aligns perfectly and it goes at least to 342 and higher. 342 is just a break even. What if it goes the other way? Like, how stupid are buyers of options, right? There's only 2 hours left in this. That's my juice that you see on the screen right there. $244 a contract. That's like $1,800, right? I'm not giving that guy my juice. I get my juice in about 2 hours. Now, let's go through the trade real quick, and then I'll probably going to pause and do this trade later because it's right at the money, and I want to see what happens. But so I got these long 175s, right? Obviously in the money with a really nice 94 delta. And then I'm short the 340 calls, which expire in 2 hours, right? And happy Valentine's Day, by the way, everybody. And the trade price, I made $1,465 a contract on those when I sold them last week. And now they're trading at $221 a contract. And of that, all of it is juice because it's just out of the money now, right? It's fluctuating right around that. So I don't want to buy all that juice. So I'm just going to kind of chill for a second. It could go either way. It's a 50% chance it goes up, 50% chance it goes down. If it goes down, I get to keep all the juice. I get to keep it all anyway. But then I don't have any buyback costs when I roll this a little bit later in the afternoon, right? Because I'll only have to pay the in the money amount, not the juice. The juice is expiring for $0. So if I wait till 359.59 today, the juice is going to be $0. I'll pay pennies to buy it back. Right now, it's $233 a contract to buy it back. So why wouldn't I just wait? That's my juice. Hey guys, just a quick update here. It is now 3:28 and 30 seconds, okay? And this is the funniest thing. Like, there is still somebody with less than or around a half an hour left till the market closes that's willing to spend $1.27 for this stock to go over 340. That means that in order for them to break even, they're going to have to go to 341.27. There's only a half an hour left in the market. Talk about a gambling mentality. What they're basically saying is, hey, I'm willing to risk $1.28 a share on 100 shares, it's $128, that the stock is going to go to 340. The stock is at 339.85. Like, why would you do that? It's like not even a 50% chance that it's going to go higher at this point. But there are people out there that they're just crazy. So we're still waiting. That's my juice. I'm not giving it to that person. All right, it's exactly 10 minutes to 4. I don't really want to wait any longer. I could see this being manipulated. They're trying to close it right at 340. It's a really weird thing that the market makers do. And so this stock was just a second ago at 339.53. And the extrinsic value you see now is down below $1, 75 cents, something like that. Still $679 of my money if I just wait 10 minutes. But I want to finish making this video for you. So you can see the extrinsic value kind of moving up and down. If this thing closes anywhere under $340, this goes to $0. So like, there's only 10 minutes. I don't get it. But anyway, this is the game that they play, that you and I are not part of this club, right? So we have to kind of play their game with them. We're on the other side of this. You're seeing it now drop to 60 cents. That's only $540 to buy it back. So it's dropped down to 339. Looks like maybe they'll try to close it under 340. I think that's what's going to happen. Let me go ahead and just finish this order. It's about 60 cents right now. I'm going to go ahead and roll the order, sell, 9 calendars. It brings it up 9. I'm going to roll it out a week, and I'm going to roll it to the 350s because my trading plan was to move up to the 350s. Now, this is a market order, Now that's not quite as much money as I got last week. Remember, I got 1450 last week or something like that. But you know what? It's a short week because Monday the markets are closed. I'm happy to get that kind of money for a potential $10 upside, and if not, it's a partial week. I'll take a $6 something downside. It works for me. Nice little cushion. Let's go ahead and get the order done. And let's make sure it's in the account. So now I have the 350s and I don't have the 340s anymore. The 350s are 7 days out. I picked up $665 per contract. So 9 times, that's what, $6,300 or something for this week. Something like $6 grand. I'm happy to make $6 grand for a short week, and I have the potential for it to go upside if Bitcoin does anything this weekend. All right. It was a long day to wait out that juice, but so you can see the juice, you almost have to wait it out if it's at the money, right? Right at the money is the most juice. If this thing were a couple bucks ahead of the money or below the money, it wouldn't be as much of a deal. But since it's right at 339, 340, they won't give up the juice. So anyway, we got a good amount this week, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.